What's up guys, we are back with some of the final Galaxy S22 series leak, and oh boy, this is probably the best final news that we deserve to hear. It seems like Samsung has finally decided to listen to the customers and bring the ultimate value with the Galaxy S22 series. This info is coming courtesy of one of the most reliable tech leaksters in the game. According to John Prosser, the final pricing of the Galaxy S22 series is $799 for the S22, $999 for the S22 Plus, and $1199 for the S22 Ultra. These prices are exactly the same as the prices that we have seen for the Galaxy S21 series last year. Thank you Samsung for not increasing the price, because this was one of the biggest concerns regarding this year's lineup. John is very confident about this information. I don't know what made Samsung change their mind compared to the initial pricing leak, but I'm glad to see these numbers. And honestly, at $799 for the Galaxy S22 especially, this phone could end up being the phone of the year, because this is the most feature-packed $800 Samsung flagship phone in history. Now pricing is one thing, but free gifts is another icing on the cake. For those who pre-order the Galaxy S22 series, you will get more discounts / free gifts, which could be Galaxy Buds or Galaxy Smart Tag. It's gonna depend on market to market, but there will be some extra value on top of your initial pre-order purchase. Now with the Galaxy S22 series, we will also see another beast of a product arriving, and yes, I'm talking about the Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra. Some official marketing material has been leaked which confirms all the new official exciting stuff. The 14.6-inch display, S Pen, the full design. Honestly, it looks very stunning. This is by far the craziest Android tablet ever made. We're just a couple of days from the official announcement happening on February 9th, so make sure you subscribe for all the coverage. Now last but not the least, Samsung's biggest focus after the Galaxy S series is definitely the Galaxy Z series. Samsung has some interesting plans for the Z Fold 4 and the Z Flip 4, but the competitors are catching up, which means they have to do something different in order to stand out. Perhaps a new folding phone alongside the existing lineup will do the trick. According to the latest patent, Samsung's dual folding smartphone is looking pretty good. It's got a smartphone-like wide outer screen and then a massive tablet look when it's unfolded. It also has a built-in S Pen. Honestly, it's looking pretty good, and considering they showed off something similar like this at their CES event, there is a slight chance that we might actually see this phone coming out this year. Again, the year just started. It's too early to say anything, but we'll keep an eye on what Samsung does eventually with their Galaxy Z series. So that's all the latest news. Super excited to see the final pricing for the S22 series. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. With that being said, I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.